Hi, my name is Jesse Mondragon. I'm one of the technicians from All Systems Integrated, or ASI. Today we're going to go through the user side of Alarm.com. We'll be covering the basic layout of the home page, how to rearrange icons, and talk a little bit about the other menus. We'll also be making a couple separate videos to discuss in more detail the other menus and their setup. I hope that'll be some assistance to you and make it easier and more enjoyable to use Alarm.com. Here we have the company's demo account. A lot of things you'll see here are a variety of different services that we provide, and everyone's system is a little bit different. So we'll be covering mostly the security and video side of Alarm.com, which is the most common. Starting off, we'll have the welcome widget. It's a nice startup and gives you a quick jump in showing you recently recorded clips, system issues and status, scenes, and also live video. Down below, we see our icons that we have here. The first one is security system. So our security system is interactive with Alarm.com. Here we have access through the web portal and also through the mobile tech app to arm and disarm your system. You have the option of arming in stay mode or in the away mode. For example, the away mode. And instantly it arms. You could just click again the shield, disarm, and just like that your security system is disarmed. Next, we have the sensors icon. Over here, it gives us a list of your sensors that are on the security system. For example, we have the back door, basement motion, front door, and it also gives you the status of each of those devices, those sensors. You can also click on the little arrow on the right-hand corner to see more details of the sensors. Next, we have the recent activity. The recent activity shows you the recent activity for your whole Alarm.com account. Right here we have contacts that are showing that are recently opened and closed, a couple other things. You could click on the right hand corner with the arrows for more details. Below we have feature suggestions that Alarm.com provides, just a few suggestions that can help your system be a little more efficient. Next we have the garage door opener. This icon right here gives us interactive access to your garage door to open and close it. Currently it's closed, but we click it, click open, and it will open your garage door. Next, we have the automated locks. So you can have multiple locks on a system. For example, on this demo account, there's the front door and side door, and it also gives you interactive access through alarm.com. Just click on them, unlock, and just like that, it's unlocked. Moving on over to the video. We're going to go to the video menu and go through this menu. We have the live video, save video clips, recording rules, and settings tabs. Here you can view live video, you can look at saved clips, recording rules, and also settings. But we'll go through all of this in more detail in another video. The automation menu brings us to two tabs. We have the rules and scenes. Rules is kind of like a cause and effect scenario where you have a trigger and an action and also a time frame when you want that rule to apply. And scenes is rules combined. For example, home. When you press the home scene, it could do multiple things. It will disarm the system, unlock the front door, unlock the side door, and open the garage door. You can always add more items, devices to your automation for your alarm.com, and you could create new rules. For example, event trigger rules and video rules. Moving on to notifications. Under the notifications menu, here you're able to customize what kind of notifications you want and who receives these notifications. For example, we have the standard, property awareness, family, business, kid, second home, and reminders. All these are different categories for different notifications. Under standard, you have basic alarm notifications, sensor notifications. Let's try a sensor left open. Going into this, we see that you can create a notification so when any of these sensors, let's say the front door, is left open for the duration of 1 minute or 3 minutes, and during the time either all times or during a window. You could do it during the weekdays or weekends, and you could do it at a starting time, anytime, and then choose who you want to receive those notifications. Moving on to activity. The activity menu shows you a list of events and what devices cause those events, and also a time. It just gives you a little bit more detail on what's been going on with your Alarm.com system. Users menu. Under the Users menu, you have the ability to add or change user codes for your security panel, and also manage logins. Logins for the website or mobile app. You can add a login, change a login, and back to the user codes. Here you can edit your user code for the panel, or add a user, or you can add a temporary user. You can also edit one of the user codes and add a limited access time. Settings. Settings just gives the user a little bit more settings for login information. You can have a little bit more management for your account, manage devices and settings, and also create geo fences and configure other location features for geo services. That's it for the walkthrough for Alarm.com's website. But if you ever need more information or have any questions, you can always access the knowledge base. To do that, you go to the question mark in the right hand corner. If you click that, and you go to the third option, Help Documentation, and by clicking that, you can also, it'll bring up a new tab, and here you can search through the search bar, or something that's very helpful is the top FAQ, and a couple other little options here. But let's try searching something. Let's look up video motion detection. So VMD is the acronym they use. And here it'll bring up multiple articles on this. So right here where they have the first one is a recommended article. How should I configure video motion detection (VMD) settings for a video device? We also how to change a camera's video motion detection settings, and also create and edit a video motion detection recording rule. That's it for today. I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you guys take care. This is Jesse Mondragon with ASI.